Welcome back to Keeping History on Two Wheels. We are so close to that 1,000 subscriber mark that I want to give something away. Welcome back to Keeping History on Two Wheels. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's the one right over here. Also, don't forget to hit that notifications bell so that you'll be notified whenever we do an upload. Also, apparently the thumbs up has an effect on the algorithm, so go ahead and hit that too. Don't forget to leave a comment. Speaking of comments, that's our next section of this video. Something I haven't seen on any of the other YouTube videos is where they're asking you what you want to see. And they're all talking about, oh, do the videos that you want to do. Well, I've been doing that, and you guys have been responding by subscribing to the channel. But this is your channel too, not just mine. Because if you're not watching, then everything I'm doing is just spinning my wheels. So what I'd like to do is have you go down to the comments down below and just tell me what you want to see more of. We can do more interviews. If you want to see more of the bike, we can do that. Live locations, you know, where I actually go to, like the Georgia Nuclear Aircraft Laboratory and some of the forts and etc. We can do the in-house history, background histories, like 'Twas the Night Before Christmas one I did. You tell me what you want to see in those comments, and I'll be getting back with you on those comments. If you've ever left me one, you know I usually try and answer you. Don't be afraid. Hit that little comment section down there and tell me what you want to see, and let's see if we can't make it happen. That being said about the comments, please don't leave any comments about the music on the Bonnie and Clyde interviews. There's nothing I can do about that. We have lost that original footage, and we can't change it. I wish we could. If you'll look down, there's 2 interviews with Buddy Barrow, and the one that has the less views is actually the better one of the 2, because that one is edited, and so the music is a lot softer on that one. That brings me to this next section, and it's the one that we were talking about in the thumbnail and in the opening section of this video, and that is, we are so close to that 1,000 subscriber mark that I want to give back to y'all as well. So what I'd like to do is, on the 1,000th subscriber, that's the guy that clicks and turns that number from 999 to 1,000, and I will send you an Insta 361. This is the type video that you can do with that, and I'll go ahead and, while the video's playing, I'll go ahead and tell you about it. The Insta 361, it does 360-degree photos and videos. It does 360-degree live streaming. It does it in Ultra HD video. It also takes 24 megapixel photos. So those are pretty good, especially for one of these action cam kind of things. It does instant sharing, so as you're doing it, you can go through the hotspot on your phone and instantly share it, or you can connect it to your computer and do it that way too. It's got an easy in-app editing program, and trust me, if I can do it, anybody can do it. It's got real-time stabilization. Now, in this video you're watching right now, if you'll watch it, when it goes over railroad tracks, you can't even tell that I've gone over railroad tracks on the bike. And that's saying something. All the other action cams that I use on the bike, you hit railroad tracks, you're going to know it. And it's got high speed shooting. Now this is what it looks like. It comes in the box, just like this, and it comes with the adapter cables. It comes with a cleaning cloth, and you really want to protect the lenses on this, because with it being a 360-degree cam, the lenses poke out and they're actually round, if you'll notice, and they're offset too, but they're round, so you want to protect those lenses and you want to keep them clean too. It comes with a little stand that's got a little nipple in it, and it's got a nipple in the bottom of it, so you can do it like that and just set it on your desk or table or whatever you're using, and it'll get 360 degrees of the room. Also, you have to be very careful with using this as a holding case. You really don't want to do that. You want to put it back in the soft case it comes with. But the button on it is right here. And if you'll notice, there's a blue light that's blinking, and you can see it on both sides. So hold it down and it'll turn off. As you can tell by the video on the film on the bike that I took just a minute ago, it does some great shots. Now, when I send you this, you have your option of getting the little mounts, and they come in packages, so that they've got all kinds of different mounts that you can mount it on your windshield, on your bike, wherever. Or I'll send you a selfie stick. When you hit that 1,000th subscriber mark, I'll know it. So I'll go ahead and contact you. If you also notice that you were the 1,000th subscriber, go ahead and hit me back. Go ahead and hit me first. If I don't hit you first, you hit me. And we'll get together and we'll get your address and we'll get one sent to you. Okay? Listen, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the subscribe button. It's right down here. Hit that notifications bell so that you'll be notified whenever we do an upload, and we do one generally each and every week. Also, don't forget, go to that comment section and start leaving me some comments as to what you want to see. Remember, every trip starts with a step, and that step, well, it starts with you.